The Canon C5560 is the fastest of the four models in the Canon 5500 series. It is a color copier that prints at 60 ppm when using letter or 32 ppm when printing 11 by 17. Its max paper size is 12 by 18 and its standard paper capacity is 1200 sheets. The heaviest paper this machine can print is 110 pound coated out of the bypass tray, which can hold up to 250 sheets. Lastly, unlike the C5535 and the C5540, this model uses a 20 amp plug-in. For different configurations, you can add one of these options. On the right, you can add a single cabinet that can be used to store paper and toner. In the middle, you can add a cassette feeding unit, which will bring your total paper capacity to 3,650 sheets. Lastly, on the left, you can add two more trays, bringing your total paper capacity to 2,300. You can only select one of these three choices you see. But no matter which option you choose, you can always add a paper deck unit, which holds 2,700 sheets by itself. For finishers, you have three to select from. The inner finisher will allow you to staple up to 50 sheets when printing, or 5 sheets of staple free. You can also staple up to 40 sheets when using staple on demand. But remember, the thicker the paper, the lower the maximum amount of sheets you can staple. Lastly, an optional 2 to 3 hole puncher can be added to the internal finisher. The external staple finisher can staple 50 sheets when printing, or 5 sheets of staple free. You can also staple up to 50 sheets when using staple on demand. The biggest difference between the inner and external finisher is the output capacity. The max output on the inner finisher is 545 sheets, while the max output on the external finisher is 3,250 sheets. Lastly, an optional 2 to 3 hole puncher can be added to the external staple finisher. The last finisher on this list is the booklet finisher, and it has the same stapling and output specs as the other external staple finisher. The key difference, however, is that it can create saddle stitch booklets with 20 pages. The output tray can hold 10 of these 20-page booklets. Remember though, it's 20 pages of 22 bond. The thicker the paper, the lower the max page count for a single booklet. Copying and scanning is easy with this machine. To copy, place your document onto the scanning glass or document feeder. If you want to copy or scan multiple documents, the document feeder can handle up to 150 sheets of 20-pound paper. When the document is in place, press the copy button, select your desired features, then press the green button. If you're interested in using the Scan to Folder feature, this machine comes standard with an even better version of Scan to Folder called ADVANCE Box. ADVANCE Box allows your copier to store any file type on it, then allow any computer on your network to communicate with that copier. If you want to learn more about ADVANCE Box, click on the gray card in the corner. If you want to learn more about this machine, you can see the description for a link to the brochure. If you want to learn more about the other models in the series, you can click on the links on the screen. If you have any questions, ask us down in the comments below. Thank you for watching.